Hey, MTH Health community, welcome back! Today we're diving into the ultimate Brazilian wax guide, a complete rundown of what you need to know for a smooth, confident experience. Whether you're a first-timer or a regular, we've got you covered. Let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. What's a Brazilian wax? Unlike a bikini wax that focuses on the sides and top, a Brazilian removes hair from front to back for an ultra-smooth look. It's popular for its long-lasting results and smooth finish. But before you book your appointment, here's what to expect. Let's get real about pain. It's the most common question, does it hurt? The answer, yes a bit, but don't let that stop you. The first session is usually the most intense, but your body adapts over time. One pro tip, schedule your appointment when you're not on your period to avoid extra discomfort. And you can take a mild pain reliever 30 minutes before, but always check with your esthetician first. Pain doesn't last forever and the results are worth it. Trust me, you'll feel fresh and confident for weeks. Prep is key. Exfoliating 24 to 48 hours before your appointment is a must. It clears away dead skin cells and helps prevent ingrown hairs. Just be gentle, no scrubbing too hard. Hydration is also your best friend. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin healthy and more resilient. On the day of your appointment, skip heavy lotions or oils. These can create a barrier that affects how the wax adheres. Now that your waxing session is done, let's talk aftercare. First, avoid sweating and hot showers for 24 hours. Your skin's more sensitive at this stage, and you don't want to irritate it or risk an infection. Use a gentle, alcohol-free moisturizer. And when it's safe to exfoliate after 48 hours, choose a product with salicylic acid. This helps keep ingrown hairs at bay and keeps your skin smooth. Ingrown hairs are a common concern, but don't worry. Regular exfoliation and post-wax care are your best tools for prevention. If you do see a bump, avoid picking. Instead, apply a warm compress to soothe and a gentle treatment to reduce inflammation. Taking these small steps can make a huge difference and keep your skin looking and feeling great. Let's bust some myths. 1. Brazilian waxes are only for women. Nope, this treatment is for anyone looking for a smooth and clean look. 2. It's only worth it during summer. Wrong. A Brazilian wax is perfect any time of year, keeping you feeling fresh and confident. And 3. Only high-end salons can do it well. Not true. Just look for licensed professionals with good reviews. And that's your complete guide to Brazilian waxing. I hope these tips help you feel confident and prepared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real, reliable health and beauty advice. We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried Brazilian waxing? Share your experiences or any tips you have in the comments below. We'll see you next time, and remember, taking care of yourself is the best investment you can make.